Today we got a video from Midwest Crime, and the title of the video is Cop Faces Off with Hammer Attacker After Pursuit.
He's pulling over. Point his arms. Go. Stop! Get on the ground! Stop! Don't! Get the
This is Eric Pottinger, a 44-year-old man who allegedly tried to steal a police squad car after carrying out a violent robbery while armed with a hammer. It all started on March 15, 2026, when officers with the Verona Police Department spotted a stolen Kia Sorento speeding down Highway 151 near Spring Rose Road in the town of Springdale, Wisconsin. The incident stemmed from a reported home invasion and vehicle theft in Cottage Grove, where the suspect was accused of attacking residents with a hammer before fleeing in their vehicle. A sergeant began chasing the suspect, unaware that the pursuit was about to quickly and violently escalate.
Southbound 18151 coming up to exit 81. I should have other units on the road. It's like so.
I wonder what's going on in his life to want to throw it away like that.
6712, we're in the number 1 lane, passing exit 81.
Copy that. I'm just south of that Mary. Let me know when you're close.
6712, you can call it a 1080.
We got a 1080. Number 1 lane, passing exit 81. Verona, 1080.
We're in the number 2 lane, coming up to exit 79. Switching back over to the number 1 lane, speeds are 65. Light traffic.
Coming up to 79.
Where's my first set of spikes at?
Just south of them, just south of them.
6712, we're continuing passing exit 79, still in the number 1 lane. Number 2 lane, on over Old Ballboy.
Number 2 lane over Old Ballboy.
It's over. You might as well give up.
45.
You're caught, man. You're not getting away in that rain.
2 lane, coming underneath M. Clay. It'll be the 3rd vehicle. Number 2 lane. It'll have to switch to the number 1 lane with traffic there. Right there. Spikes missed. Continuing southbound, number 1 lane. I see you down there. We're in the number 1 lane still. Continuing southbound, passing exit 77. Speeds are 90.
Damn, 90 in the rain?
After the first spike attempt failed, a second officer prepared another attempt to stop the suspect as he continued to flee at high speeds in the stolen vehicle.
Just stop.
Trying to go to the number 2 lane. the spikes.
Damn.
We're continuing southbound, going underneath exit 76. Anybody else ahead?
He was gonna come back and get it later, but he like, man, you know what? Fuck it. Let me just grab it.
God damn it.
Number 1 lane, either 85. Continuing southbound.
Russell, you set up.
Man, come on. We need somebody to get these spikes now.
42, behind 12, little ways here. Catching up.
6712. We're continuing southbound, going underneath exit 76. Do we have anybody else ahead? Copy. Number 1 lane, speeds are 85. Continuing southbound. Still continuing southbound, speeds are 96. Coming up to G. 6712, 110 miles an hour, coming underneath County Highway G. Number 1 lane.
110?
Coming up to Spring Rose. Still 110, number 1 lane, light traffic. 1050 at Spring Rose. He corrected it, he's back on the road. Continuing southbound. He's losing it though. He's pulling over. We're at Spring Rose. Full bail. Hey, drop it, dude.
Hey, air times are yours.
Get off the air. I'm at one at gunpoint. He's armed. Stop.
Get back.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Stop. Don't get the on the.
See, he ain't listening. This might have to be like that other guy. You remember the other guy charged at the cop and had to put him down like a dog, man. Couple videos back. This is gonna be similar, man. Listen, you about to try to steal a cop car? Like, no, man. This is a quick way. This is a quick way to go meet your maker. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is a quick way to go do that. Quick, fast, and in a hurry, man. Ooh, wee.
Ground. Hey, get on the ground.
Oh, got him together. Got him.
Shots fired. I got one down. He's
Got
still
him
with the hammer.
together.
He tried to take my squad.
Oh.
He tried to take my squad.
See, they teach you to shoot center mass, man. He should have just popped one right in his skull, man. Just like, oh, man.
Drop the hammer.
Pull him out.
Quick, get over in this lane. Get over
Get
in
over.
this lane.
Block it.
Lane.
Hey, gunshot. I got it.
Is there anyone else in the car?
Eric Pottinger was struck by multiple gunshots during the encounter and was transported to a nearby hospital, where he was pronounced dead later that day. According to family members, Pottinger had a long history of substance abuse and periods of homelessness, along with ongoing mental health struggles that reportedly went untreated at times. Relatives also described prior incarcerations and erratic behavior in the years leading up to the incident. Following the investigation, authorities determined that the use of force in this incident was justified, and no criminal charges will be filed against the officers involved. For exclusive clips,
Yeah, good. You know, there should be nothing filed for the officer. He tried to attack him with the hammer, man. Hey, you had to go meet your maker. That's how that go. Get you together. Yeah, you fucked up on Earth, man. You messed up. Now, you know, good luck. Good luck wherever you got sent off to, man. Your spirit is up out of here. Psh, levitating. Gone. Oh, boy. Crazy, man.